BlueCruise is hands-free highway driving that helps make driving less stressful and more enjoyable. It's available on 97% of controlled access highways called Blue Zones. Once you're on the highway, press the Adaptive Cruise Control button on the steering wheel. Wait for the hands-free icon, and BlueCruise helps with accelerating, braking, and steering, so you can let go and relax while continuing to watch the road. BlueCruise uses a driver-facing camera to help ensure your eyes stay on the road. The driver attention system was designed to remind you to pay attention, giving you visual and audio prompts if your eyes are off the road for too long. Adaptive Cruise Control already adjusts your speed to the flow of traffic. BlueCruise builds on that as a driver assistance feature, not a replacement. It helps monitor your position on the road and scans the traffic around you. In-lane repositioning detects approaching vehicles and can shift you over in the lane, providing a little extra room when you need it. Lane Change Assist lets you change lanes hands-free. Tap the turn signal, and BlueCruise checks the lane before helping you move over. BlueCruise on the Mustang Mach-E, helping reduce stress and making driving more enjoyable.